Children, today we are going to learn our chapter number 11, Time in Maths. Now you can see here so many types of watches are here. This is wall clock, digital clock, wristwatch. This is alarm clock, and this is again a wall clock, and you all have to draw simple drawings of these clocks. Now, can you differentiate between day and night? Where there is sunlight, it is a daytime, and where there is no sunlight, it is a night time. One cycle of day and night is called one day. In one day, there is one day and one night. So whole one cycle of day and night is a one day. The day is made up of morning, afternoon, evening, and followed by a night. You can see here, this is a daytime picture and this is a nighttime picture. Now we are going to solve some more exercises. Which of the following tells you about the night? Tick the correct one. You have to tick the activities which can be performed in the night. Sun, star. Yes, star tells about the night. Light, dark. Dark tell us about the night. Sleep and school. School tell us about the night. Take the morning activities. Now here you have to take the morning activities. Sleeping, no. Jogging tells about morning activities, and the girl is standing in a dark. This is not a morning activity. Now look at the picture and write the part of the day for each activity. Which write M for morning, A for afternoon, E for evening, and N for night. Now here you have to write M for morning, A for afternoon, E for evening, and N for night. When we play with our friends after 5 o'clock, this is the evening time. When we do our homework in the evening. When we come home from school, we come home from school at the afternoon. When we watch TV after coming back from school, in the afternoon. When we go to school by bus, in the morning. When we go to the bed, in the night. When we have our breakfast, we have our breakfast in the morning. Now take the correct option. You have to take the correct option here. I go to play. You go to play in the evening. After eating dinner, I go to sleep. You go to sleep in the night. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat dinner in the night. Before going to school, I take bath. You take bath in the morning. I eat lunch in the afternoon. Match the activities with the time of the day. You wake up in the morning. You come back from the school in the afternoon. In the evening you go to play, and in the night you go to bed. We'll see some more exercises. Now this is more time and less time. More means ज़्यादा and less means कम. Now we will see some activities here which takes less time and which takes more time. First we will see less time activities. Brushing your teeth, washing your face, drinking water, wearing clothes. These all activities takes less time. watching TV, sleeping at night, doing homework, having lunch. These all activities take more time. Now, tick the activity that takes more time to complete. Drinking milk, cooking food. Yes, cooking food takes more time. Walking and cycling. Walking takes more time. Now here, which activity takes less time to complete? Now here you have to color the picture which takes less time. So this activity takes less time, picking up a pen from pen holder. Now earlier and later. Look at the given picture. These pictures follow a sequence. You can see here these pictures follow some sequence. First, duck gives egg. Here ducks lays eggs, and then these eggs broken and the chicks are coming out from the egg. So this is one sequence. Now we'll see some more exercises of sequence. Look at the picture, put them in the right order, write the number 1, 2, 3. Now first we will plant the tree, then it will grow into a small tree, and then it becomes a big tree. Look at the pictures, put them in a right order, write the numbers 1 to 4 on the pictures. So here one girl is enjoying in the rain. So this is the first picture. Now wind comes and her umbrella go away. 2. Then crow takes the umbrella and put on the tree. Thank you.